how different people around the world express their idea of what the crèche or the nativity should look like. I think it was something that I grew up with. There was always one on our piano, and there were two others in the house. We used to like to play with them, but we weren't supposed to. When we got married, we got our first one at Frankenmuth, and everybody goes there if they live in Michigan. So then I didn't get another one for 3 years, and my brother gave me one. And then I thought, that would be a fun thing to collect. And so when you go on trips, that's what you're looking for. A third of our collection was before 1996, and then the 2/3 came later, and the last 20 years were really we were traveling much more then. So the goal of the collection was to get them from different countries and to also have them made of different art media. And even in the collection of books, there were 300 sets, 50 books in addition, and they had to at least have a picture of the nativity. The whole story didn't have to be, but it had to be directed. It was a Christmas book. I think that it was just the interest in it and my interest in different kinds of art media and how different people around the world express their idea of what the crèche or the nativity should look like.